Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Brainy Equation. Today we have a very interesting math Olympiad problem. We have x power 2 minus x power 3 is equal to 12 and x is unknown. To find out x, so move 12 to the other side, we will get x square minus x cube minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we are going to take a tricky move with this 12. We will write this 12 in the form of sum of two digits, x square minus x cube minus 12 can be written as 4 plus 8 is equal to 0. This 4 plus 8, we can write this 4 as 2 square and 8 can be written as 2 cube. That's why we have taken it. We can group them easily with x square and x cube. So x square minus x cube minus, we will open this parenthesis and we will write 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. Minus 8 is equal to 0. So in the next step, we can write x square minus x cube minus 4 can be written as 2 square minus 8 can be written as 2 cube is equal to 0. So in the next step, we will arrange this equation. We want to write x cube in the start of the equation. So we will write it minus x cube plus x square minus 2 square plus minus 2 cube is equal to 0. So here we will multiply by minus 1 on both sides so that we will get rid of this minus sign with the cube, x cube. So we will write here x cube plus x cube minus x square plus 2 square. Here we have plus 2 cube is equal to 0 plus 2 cube. So in the next step, we will write x cube plus 2 cube. We can write them together. And here we will write x square m plus 2 square. X square and minus is common. So we will write minus 2 square is equal to 0. So here we have the perfect cube and the difference of the square. We are going to use a very well-known identity. The well-known identity is a cube plus b cube. It can be written as a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So the next identity is for the difference of the square is a square minus b square. It can be written as a plus b times a minus b. So I'm going to use these two identities in the next step. For x cube and 2 cube, we have a cube plus b cube for this x cube and 2 cube. So I'm going to use this identity for x cube and 2 cube, and here I'm going to use this identity, the difference of the square. So when we will use this identity, our expression will become x plus 2 times x square plus minus 2x because ab is 2 and x, and plus 2 square is 4 because here b is 2, minus here we will write the identity for the difference of the square. We will write x minus 2 and x plus 2, so is equal to 0. Here we have x plus 2 is common on both sides in both expressions, and we can factor out x plus 2 and we will write x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 2x plus 4, here minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now we want to simplify this portion, this part of the equation, x plus 2, and we will write x square minus 2x plus 4 minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here we have x plus 2, and here we have x square minus 2x minus x will give minus 3x. It is written as 3x, and here plus 4 plus 2 is 6 is equal to 0. So from here we have x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. We can write them in the form of two equations. We will write x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x square minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So from this equation, from the first one, we have x is equal to minus 2. It is the first value of for the x. We have x1 is equal to minus 2. And this equation is quadratic equation. We can write a is equal to, here we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 6. B is equal to 6. Now we are going to use the quadratic formula to find out the value of x. So here we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac over 2a over 2a. Now in the next step, we will insert the values of a, b, and c in this quadratic formula. We have x is equal to minus 2 minus 3 plus or minus square root minus 3 whole square minus 4 times 1 is 1 and c is 6 here. 6 over 2 times 1. 2 times 1. So in the next step, we have x is equal to minus is plus 3 plus or minus square root. Minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. 24. It is 24. 9 minus 24 over 2. So from here we have x is equal to 3 plus or minus 9 minus 24 is it is equal to minus 15. It is equal to minus 15 square root minus 15 over 2. In the next step, we can write 3 plus or minus. We can write them minus sign separately and 15 separately. Minus 1 square root times square root 15 over 2. We have here x is equal to 3 plus or minus. This minus 1 square root is I square root 15 over 2. So from here we have x2 is equal to 3 minus, first we will take plus sign, square root 15 times I over 2, and x3 is equal to, it is x3 is equal to 3 minus square root 5 times I over 2. So these x2 and x3 two values of x, these are the complex values. Because we have I here, we have complex values. This is complex solution and x1 is the real value. So that's all about this question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video. Bye.